What's up, guys? It's time to change up the exhaust. It's finally at that stage that we can put a new exhaust in. It's a stainless steel SRS exhaust system. We got a Catback that's right there, and we got a that's the Catback. It's the G35 SRS Catback system. So this is the SRS race catalytic converter. This is a 200 cell one. It's not hollow, if you can see, so we'll keep the noise down to a minimum, and it won't lose power. They say it won't lose power. We eventually had to test that out because I don't know for sure, but I know that usually race cars tend to use these kind of cells at the track, so it's very important to not only for the decibels or the sound, but eventually
the noise,
better for the noise and the environment. So we're going with this for testing purposes, and I think we'll get a nice sound out of it, not the raspy and fart noise that we'll get out of every exhaust of a Honda.
So what is the position? Where does it need to be put?
After the exhaust headers, so yeah, to catch the smoke.
So somewhere like there.
There, yeah. So let's start by installing that one, and then we'll eventually go further with the installation. So what you're gonna need for this specific installation, you need a 14. I got a ratchet Allen, so makes life a little bit more easier. You can use a wrench, whatever you like. I'm using 2. So eventually they'll make putting it on a little bit easier. With this system, you will get the materials that you need to install these. You do not have you do not have the rubbers to hold the exhaust down, so you got to get one. I will link everything that we installed right now. I'm gonna link it on the description down below, so check it out if you're interested in the product. And yeah, let's continue the installation. So right here we got the 2.5 donut for in between the exhaust header and the catalytic converter. Will sit up like this, and then eventually when you tie it down, it will crimp itself onto the exhaust and make shape while you do that. We can use this one, but I'm gonna test out what's gonna be better. I think I'm gonna use this one either way, because this one is too tiny.
Exactly.
But we're gonna check what we gonna do. Yada yada yada. Okay, let's do this. So we just found out that this one is not gonna work with this exhaust header, and
because this thing here is too big.
The flange is too big. It's 2.5 inch, and this is 2 1/4.
Or 2.
Yeah, 2 1/4. And yeah, so we're just for to get the exhaust on and see a sound comparison. We thought to ourselves, why not put a old catalytic converter or yeah, a decat. So a test pipe. We're gonna put a test pipe in and check for do a sound check while we're at it. So we eventually are gonna think about what we're gonna do with this one, or use it and change up the header, the exhaust header, or maybe just get a new one but with a smaller diameter to make life a little bit easier. But yeah, let's do this, and yeah, I'll give you guys an update when I'm done bolting these things up. Okay, we're gonna start it up, do exhaust check, see how it sounds. Srs G35. Not bad though, quiet with a test pipe. Oh, that sounds very nice. Okay, now without a silencer. Okay, now to see the exhaust without the silencer. Silencer's right there. Srs G35. Oh, sounds way more aggressive. Whoa. Sounds very good.